With the explosion of ChatGPT, I want you guys to be careful out there about who you listen to and stay safe. In the last few months, when ChatGPT became everyone's obsession, a lot of people start producing a lot of nonsense content, and I really want you guys to not fall for this stuff. Let me give you some examples. There was a video, for example, where a girl was showing how to make journals and, sell them and make, get this, $10,000 a month. So the title, How to Make $10,000 Using ChatGPT, was what we got from her. And so she demos this process of going to ChatGPT, getting the outline and the prompts for a journal, and going to Amazon and setting all of that up. Great so far. So what's the problem? If we are to believe the title that says make $10,000 a month, imagine and don't imagine, grab your calculators and start doing the maths on $10,000 versus how many units does she need to sell in order to get $10,000 worth of revenue coming in every single month. As a published author, I can tell you that that is not how it works. And journals are an incredibly saturated market, and so she is definitely speaking out of her. The kicker for me was at the end, where she says, I haven't done this, but I'm going to do it. So, yeah. Hold up, what? So she hasn't done it, she hasn't tested it, she's not even created this thing, uploaded it, none of that. And yet she is claiming to make $10,000, or claiming that you can make $10,000 doing this. And there was another one, which is, I guess, a little bit different. The title was ChatGPT wrote an entire book for me. If you ask ChatGPT to write an entire book, go ahead, type it now, and it will decline it, and it's going to give you an explanation. There are a couple of videos in my profile where I show you the process I followed to create a book from scratch, but what ChatGPT gives you is the book outline. You still have to do quite a bit of work, and it can take days for you to get the entire book done. There is an incredible opportunity right now, and I do want you to take advantage of it, but don't fall for these hype artists who are making things up. If you guys want the real deal, and if you want to have detailed videos and tutorials that you can follow from start to finish, go ahead and follow my new channel on YouTube, and I will give you the real deal there.